Hello and welcome. In this video, we will connect to SQL Server using SQL Server Management Studio. Click on the Start menu, then select the All button and scroll through the installed apps until you see folder named Microsoft SQL Server Tools 22. Expand it and select to open SQL Server Management Studio 22. 22 is the version number. A sign into SQL Management Studio window pops up. You can sign in with your Microsoft or GitHub account or skip that till later. An import user settings window pops up asking if you would like to import the SSMS user settings from a previous version of SSMS. Click on the Do Not Import button. A connect window pops up. Type the name of your local computer /SQL Server instance in the server name input box. Then click on the browse link above it and browse to your computer name where the SQL Server is installed and select it. Make sure Windows Authentication is selected in the authentication input box. Also change the encrypt input option to optional. Then click on the connect button. That should successfully connect to SQL Server. If you have any issues connecting, please check any error message displayed and address it. If you need any assistance, please let me know. Click on the new query link in the top menu to open the query editor. Let's type a simple query to verify the version of SQL Server we have installed. Type select at version. Then click on the execute button in the top menu to run the query. The result of the version number is displayed in the output window below. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching.